Hi, today we will discuss about how to be attentive in the classroom. So that is very important. For example, I am giving the first example. If you are be attentive in the classroom with the half lecture and the half lecture at one point you will your mind will going to another things another problems or another or on the other hand, if you are not understanding the lecture, so you can question to the sir for asking the answer, and if you are creating a problem in your mind, so please request to the teacher what is this and solve the problem, and then you will go further for understanding. So that is important thing, and you should remain focused and you should remain focusing to the lecture. So the whole lecture should be a good understanding if you are be attentive throughout the lecture. So first of all, I want to say that some students will forget the one point, and they will getting the non interested at that time. Why? Because one point will be give away and you are not getting the another. So the point wise you will learn, and if you are learning with the point wise one point to another and another step by step understanding, and you will not bore, and that is important things. Why will you bore? Because when you will sticking the topic, for example you are not understanding, so you can stop the teacher and ask the question, what is this, and then you can go forward with the lecture. So that is important things. So you should be attentive for asking the question, and the teacher will give you an answer, and people will solve your problem, and teacher will solve your problem. So the teacher will solve your problem when you are when you are getting the attention during the classroom. So that is important things. And if you are not ready for the getting the lecture, so you should do that things first before the lecture and cover that things, and your mind will be relaxed, and after the relaxation with your mind you will then go with a smoothly and be attentive, and you will become attentive, and that will lead to go a good learning process and good knowledge getting things. So this is the important things. For example, you are learning about the physiological lecture or biochemistry lecture. So the biochemistry lecture is step by step. For example, the Calvin cycle or Krebs cycle. So that's all thing is step by step. And when if you will stick in the one point, so your whole lecture will be messy, and you will not going good with the whole lecture. So that is important things. You should question to the teacher for asking something if you are getting the problem. So you should solve the problem at that time, and you can stop the teacher to giving the question and getting the answer and solve the problem. So that is your smooth time, and you will not don't shy about the asking the question, because it is the part of your knowledge. So if you are asking the question, so that is your knowledge getting processes, which that is very important for every students. And the teacher want to give you answer also. So teacher will happy if you give the if you give the suggestion or something for learning new things, and listen to the teachers, and teacher will also listen to you when you will serious in the class. So then that is important. So I hope you are getting this argument for me from my side. So from my side, I am giving the argument or suggestion, and that is the recommendation from my side. So that is important. And if you are understanding my opinion, so comment below and subscribe and like my channel. And on the other hand, important thing is that I am making another video about the biochemistry, which that is very important, and there are many lectures. I am making many lectures about the biological subject, biochemistry, physiology. So keep watching that videos as a lecture. And on the other hand, if you are in the classroom, so you will remain retention, and throughout the lecture you should be attentive. So thanks for watching. Bye.